I'm here on the Langtang trek in Langtang National Park in the Himalaya mountains of Nepal. I am at Gota de Bela, which is a 2-day hike up from Sayabubrisi, which is the little village that you take the bus to from Kathmandu. It's another day or two trek to Langtang, and then I forget the name, something Gompa, which will be the finish point of the trek, and then you come back down the same trail. I was told before starting this trek that February was a very reliably clear and sunny day month for trekking. It is the middle of February at the moment, and obviously that is not always the case, which is fine with me because this is just an absolutely stunning scene. Right here are the trekking lodges, one of which I'm staying at. So I'm just soaking up this incredible scenery and this very rare and amazing experience of being in the Himalaya mountains in a snowstorm. Incredible. So I'm just hiking around a little bit, see what I see here. The Langtang Kola River is just down there. I can hear it. See if I can get a little view of it. Waterfall up there, it looks like. Yeah, the river might be concealed by trees there, but we'll see. This is my second trek in Nepal. I hiked to Annapurna Base Camp, which is further west from here, but that was 6 years ago in March of 2008. Ah, awesome. Here's the river. Yeah, I might go for a swim. What the heck? Looks refreshing. Help wake me up a little bit at least. Nah, I don't think so. I'm gonna do a hot water bucket for a shower in a little bit. First, gonna head back to the lodge there, get a hot cup of something, relax a bit, relax these tired legs of mine. It's early afternoon, so get some rest for today, and then plan to hopefully head out tomorrow. But if not, if it's a crazy snowstorm in the middle of the night, wake up and there's even more snow, then that's cool. I'll hang here for as long as needed. I have about 9 days left of time to be gone if I like. So plenty of time, depending on conditions. I'm hoping to get further up there though, for sure, because that's where you get the real views of the Himalaya peaks. So we'll see what happens. Things definitely are not reliable in the Himalayan mountains, that's for sure.